So let's talk about this for a bit. Okay, so this photo, kung napapansin nyo si Alan Peter Cayetano, but may naka-superimpose dyan, AI generated. At yan si Charlie Kirk. Okay, one of the most hated conservatives in America. Why? Kasi very powerful ang propaganda ng mga American liberals. Okay? Pinatay nila yung guy just because of lies. Okay? They encourage their most depraved, their most deranged member na patayin itong si Charlie Kirk. And then, the global woketards celebrated his death. Bakit daw? Kasi mga fake news, mga lies like racist daw siya. I mean, all those people, yung mga putang ina mga Pinoy na to, na nagsasabi na racist siya, they don't know what they're talking about. Okay? That's how easy to fool these woketards ng mga Pinoy. And I'm willing, and I'm gonna debate anyone. Okay? I'm gonna debate anyone, face to face, pupuntahan kita. Didebatehin kita tungkol kay Charlie Kirk. If you're gonna claim he's racist, but so what? Let's just say, for example, na racist siya. Okay? Kung may bibigay kayong patunay, yung direkta, yung hindi nyo dinistort, okay? Because for you to justify the killing of someone who is racist, dapat yung proof nyo ay talagang lantaran yung pagiging racist niya. Okay? Have you seen someone who is actually racist? In reality, ang pinaka-racist sa Amerika ay mga liberals. Why? Their affirmative action. How they tried to justify yung persecution ng mga Asians para mapaboran yung mga blacks. Okay, they have this inverted racism in America that many people don't understand through affirmative action, through CRT, yung critical race theory, but we're gonna talk about that dito sa video na to. And these people, sino po impose kay Alan Peter Cayetano? Wala pa tayo dyan eh. Nandito pa lang tayo kay Charlie Kirk. If they can prove that he's racist and then justified yung killing niya, so are you saying na lahat ng pinaghihinalaan nyo, naniniwala kayong race ay kailangan mamatay? Di ba? And then, ito yung mga performative na anti-Duterte. And I've been anti-Duterte since 2015. 2015 pa lang yun, nung hindi pa siya nagdedeklara ng tumakbo. At may mga naghihikayat kay Digong yun na tumakbo. Alright? So, performative lang yung galit ng maputang inang mga pawok na itong mga Pinoy na to kay Digong yun. Kasi mga bobo silang lahat, mga salot silang lahat. Show me a woke-tard. Hindi pa ako nakakita in person eh. Lahat sila sa online eh. Dito lang sila matatapang at mayayabang eh. Pag nakakita talaga ako, pagkagaya ng mga DDS dyan, pag nakita ko ng DDS, I have just one question. So DDS, for example, ano yung pinagyayabang yun? Ano yung pinananakot yung 2028? Yun yung isa sa mga tanong ko eh. Sa mga kwan naman, sa mga pawok naman, I have a lot of questions like, nakakita ka na ba ng Israeli sa Siargao? Or siguro mag-focus ako kay Charlie Kirk. Do you have any proof na racist siya? Diba? So, if he's racist, then sinasabi mo na dapat mamatay siya. So, lahat pala ng racist na yung suspected pa lang, wala pang final judgment. Hindi pa tayo pupunta sa putang inang extrajudicial killing si Digongyo, kaya nga kuhan kayo, mga salot kayo mga hypocrites. Wala pa kayong proof, wala pang final judgment ng korte na kailangan mamatay ang mga racist na pinaghihinalaan nyo or dahil bobo kayo, naniwala kayo sa fake news. So ito na nga. So napinos itong gagong to, itong dalonggong na to. Yan. As usual, isang kakamping. Ito yung isang problema ko sa kakamping. Okay? So ako, hindi ako DDS. I've been anti-DDS for years. Since 2015, sabi ko nga. Makikita nyo sa post ko sa Facebook. Okay? 2015 pa lang. At hindi rin ako kakamping. Kasi hindi ako pa-woke. O hindi ako left-leaning. Okay? So, ito yung mga post nila. Yung sabi niya, Dago, mukhang Charlie Kirk. Yan siya dyan, sabi ng isa. Sabi, mabaril at mamatay na rin sana, sabi naman itong sisi. So, these people are so violent na pag iniisip mo, ito ba yung mga putang inang anti-Duterte na galit kuno sa war on drugs niya? Okay? Remember, sana ma-Charlie Kirk, sabi naman itong si Derek. Itong gagong to. Sana daw ma-Charlie Kirk. Ibig sabihin, may mag-piu-piu. Ganyan sila kasalot. Itong mga kakampings na to. Mga pa-woke na kakampings. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, favor ako kay Lenny. For example, I like Lenny. In fact, sinabi ko nga na kung tatakbo si Lenny at susuportahan ng mga loyalists, ay mananalo si Lenny. Okay? So ako, independent ako kasi dito sa bansa natin walang partisan. There's no such thing as party sa Pilipinas. Hindi kagaya sa Amerika, it's either you're Republican or you're Democrat. Di ba? Now, let's get to my point. Ito. Yan. Hypocrite sa mga putangin ng mga DDS na to ay mga pawok nga kakamping na to. Sa totoo lang, sabi nyo, galit kayo sa ginawa ni putangin ng dugong nyo. Sino man ayaw nun. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, performative lang ang galit nyo. Sa totoo lang, you have more in common kay dugong nyo. In terms of morality, yung lack of it, and ideology. Because, remember, Duterte was a self-confessed, self-avowed leftist. Di po ba? Kaso sinabi niya hindi ako communist kasi alam niya yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay? Iba kasi ang ibig sabihin ng communist, you must be a member of the party. Pero ideologically, si Duterte is a leftist. And you can be a leftist in a mixed economy na leaning toward socialism. Kagaya ng Pilipinas, 60-40 tayo. 60% socialist, 40% free market. Okay? So, yes, socialist and capitalist can coexist in a mixed economy. But Duterte was a socialist. Sabi niya yun. Naniniwala ako doon. Kasi nga, yung hindi maintindihan ng iba, kagaya ng mga pawok kasing to, is that nagbe-base sila sa Western wokeism. Feeling nila mga American liberals sila. Mga bobo nga, di ba? Pero, kung isipin nyo, yung mga Asian leftists, they're so against illegal drugs. Okay? Lalo na yung mga socialist countries matatawag, for example, China, Vietnam. Yung mga socialist leaning, they're so against illegal drugs na death yung, ipapataw nila sa sino mang mapapatunayang involved sa illegal drugs. Samantala naman, sa mga Western leftists, and we're not talking about countries, iba pa yun. Leftists sa mga yung free market countries. Actually, America, for example, it's a free market country. Yung mga Scandinavian countries, Switzerland, Netherlands, I'm not saying Switzerland is a Scandinavian country, but yung mga Nordic countries na yan, Sweden, they're actually more capitalistic. Pero yung mga putang inang leftist nila, yung mga ilang leftist nila, ewan ko, million siguro, ay mga pro-drugs, pro-illegal drugs. So yun yung disconnect. Yun yung pinagkaiba ng Asian leftist saka mga Caucasian. Ito mga pa-woke kasi, in-import kasi na Amerika yung wokeism na yan. So kaya nga sinabi ko, performative lang ang galit nyo kay Digong nyo. So just imagine, okay, kagaya nitong, yun yung pinost itong galunggong na to, no? So just imagine, you're in favor, I'm talking to the Pinoy or the brain-dead Pinoy woketards. You celebrated the death of someone dahil nabudol lang kayo, dahil mahina ng utak nyo eh. Galit na galit kayo. Sobrang galit nyo na you celebrated his death. Just because American liberals claim he's racist, he's anti-gays, lesbian, etc. So ganun na ba yung gusto nyo society? You're just gonna pew-pew or unalive people who disagree with your views? Wala kayong pinagkaiba kay Digong nyo. Di po ba? Wala kayong pinagkaiba kay Digong nyo. Kasi nga extrajudicial yung ginawa ni Digong nyo. Kung magkakaroon ng kayo ng kapangyarihang konti, for example, just imagine, nagkaroon kayo ng konti kapangyarihan na you're gonna pew-pew anyone who disagrees with you. Kagaya ng ginagawa ng mga NPA, for example. Di ba? Ganun sila. May purge within their ranks. Yung mga anyone who's gonna break away from the CPP-NPA are gonna get, di ba, pew-pew or unalive. Ganun yun. Kasi nga leftist din si Digongyo eh. Ganun yung utak niya. Digongyo is and was a leftist. So, mas masahol pala kayo pag nasa kapangyarihan kayo kasi gusto nyo extrajudicial killing ng anyone, hindi lang gumagamit ng droga, anyone who disagrees with you. You're simply just gonna define kung ano yung galit kayo, for example, yung so-called racism or na-accuse ng racism against trans or anyone, ito mga ito dapat mategi. Ganon yung mentality nyo. And you're gonna celebrate the death of anyone na sa tingin nyo ay galit kayo kasi nga, boplax kayong lahat. Di po ba? Kaya nga, you cannot be, sabi natin dito, you cannot be against Duterte when you celebrated the death of Charlie Kirk, who gave a microphone to his political critics, let them speak. Diba? Yun yung ginawa niya. That was his biggest sin. That he allowed his critics and brain-dead liberal opponents to speak. At dahil naka-safe space yung kanilang utak. Because they've been used to having all their ideologies in so-called safe space that anyone who would dare challenge their views, naniniwala silang dapat mamatay. Ganon sila ka-violent. Ganon sila ka-violent. And this is why these people are wishing ill and death on anyone. I really hate, I hate Cayetano. Who doesn't hate him? Pero hindi ako naniniwalang kailangan niyang mapiu-piu. Just because I hate his ideology or politics. In fact, aside from his being pro-God na ginagamit, halatang ginagamit niya yung kanyang pagiging maka-Diyos actually, mas marami pa kayong comparison sa kanya Mas similar yung views niyo, mga pawok kayo. Si Duterte, si Cayetano, you have actually a lot more in common in terms of morality and ideology. Hindi pa tayo pupunta sa politics, yung free market, okay, which is why, I like Charlie Kirk. But I'm an atheist. Let's just establish that. Atheist ako, while, conservative Charlie Kirk, Christian talaga. Very Christian. Okay? Yan hindi niya nagigets, May individualities tayong lahat. Okay? Diba? Atheist ako, but galit ako kay Alan Peter Cayetano not because he's an atheist. Galit ako kay Alan Peter Cayetano not because he's a Christian na palaging ginagamit ang Diyos. But because of his politics, but because of his yung kanyang pagiging deranged politician, corrupt. Kayo naman, galit kayo kay Charlie Kirk. Why? Because he's a Christian. Kasi kayong mga pawok kayo, akala nyo mga putang inang, mas atheist pa ako kaysa sa inyo, mga hinayo pa kayo. Okay? Mas atheist pa ako kaysa sa inyo. I've been atheist my whole life. Since college actually. So wag nyo gamitin yung Christian kasi siya ano ngayon? Gusto nyo mamatay lahat ng mga Christian? Ganyan kayo kabobo. So yun lang. Performative yung galit nyo kay Digong nyo. Kasi nga, you're pro extrajudicial killings of anyone who would dare oppose your views in politics. Nag-celebrate nga kayo ng isang namatay na guy, si Charlie Kirk, just because you hated his Christianity o yung politics niya, yung ideology niya. So, sino mas masahol ngayon? Between you and Digong nyo, para sa akin mas masahol kayo because if you're given small amount of political power, you'd probably kill or massacre thousands or even millions. Kasi nga, judging from yung galit nyo kay Charlie Kirk, parang you celebrated his death dahil lang ayaw niya sa pagiging Christian niya o politics niya, you'd probably kill more. So yun lang, and have a good day.